welcome back to the piano tutorial of BCLC's beginner's lesson. My name is Coach Benji, and as I promised, I'm gonna be teaching you two songs today. Okay, so it's just a nursery rhyme songs. It's just easy because you're gonna play this one on one set of the letters in your piano. Okay, so you don't have to worry if you of what pitch or what C, because there's a lot of C in the piano, right? So yeah, I'm gonna be teaching you this one, the song. Okay, so it says there G A G F E F G. By the way, you can play this one any of your fingers. You can use one finger, like, okay? So G A G F E F G. So here, look at this. G A G F E F G. Okay? I know you're guessing now what's the title of the song. But later you will find out, okay? The next letter are D E F. D E F, and then E F G. E F G. And then go back to this one. G A G F E F G. The last one is D G E C. You're guessing the title of the song. Some of you knows the title of the song already. Okay, so the title of the song is London Bridge. Okay, so it's just an easy song. I'm gonna be teaching another one also. It's just easy one. Don't worry, because you'll be staying at the same set of letters. Okay, you will not go out, or you're not gonna go beyond those one set of letters. Okay, here. Okay, so these are the letters of your last song of your of this video. Okay, so let's start with the first part. Is G E G G E. So here, G E G G E. I guess you know the song already. Continue. G G G E A G G E. Wow. And then the next one is F D F F D. The last one is G F E D E C C. You know the title of the song already? Okay, the title of the song is Rain, Rain, Go Away. Okay, so yeah, I hope you've learned a lot today, and thank you so much for staying. I hope you like this video. Okay, thank you so much. See you to the next one.